Namaste. Let us see the miracle of Sri Paramjyothi Kalki. I am Kiran Ujjainwal from Delhi. I joined Bhagavad Dharma in 2014. I had a health problem that was bothering me all the time. I had 4 tumor-like growths in each chest. I was worried, and the doctors told me to go for a biopsy. I did not do the tests. In 2014, I participated in Sahasranama Havan and prayed for my health. In the meantime, I started homeopathic treatment, which helped to some extent. During Corona, I could not go for tests as prescribed. In 2020, I lost my mother due to breast cancer. My fear increased. I started praying for complete health. Recently, I went for tests. The doctor said that 3 tumor-like lumps in both breasts had disappeared, and the other 2 would disappear in due course. I have no words to express my gratitude to my Sri Paramjyothi Kalki. जय बोलो आरोग्य प्रदाता श्री परमज्योति कल्की की जय.